Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? I'm going to teach y'all how to add captions on your YouTube videos. Okay, um, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to go to my first. Go if you want to first. You can go to your channel, or you can mouse up here. Or you can go right here to your channel icon and go to Creator Studio, or you can go to Creator Studio right here. But this is the fastest way to go. Or if you're on the YouTube homepage, I would recommend you go here and then select Creator Studio. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to teach you how to add captions. Okay, so first you select a video to add captions. How about this one? This was my latest video, January 20th, 2019 at 11:11 p.m. Okay, so you can click edit, or just click this arrow and go down to subtitles, CC. Fortnite really does need to die. Okay, and you have to select language, select video language. I'm English. Okay, set language. I don't want to do this one. Yeah, I do want to do it. Okay. I want to edit this one. Okay, so this is how you add subtitles. You have to let it play. And, wait, no, I want to delete draft. Delete draft. Okay. Okay, so I want to remove this one. I want to unpublish. And delete draft. Delete. I hope it goes away. Yep, it went away. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new subtitle, CC, English. First I'm doing English. Okay, these are your options: upload a file, transcribe and auto-sync, or create new subtitles with CC. Transcribe and auto-sync doesn't work for me. I don't know why. It just doesn't. Okay, I'm going to create new subtitles with CC. Okay, see? This is auto-generated content. If you want to make it harder on yourself, you can remove auto-generated content. But I like auto-generated content so I can fix the words. So I'm going to play it. Okay, I'm going to fix these words. Fix them. Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? I'm here to tell y'all why Fortnite. Oh, they put a G and a H in Fortnite. Fortnite needs to die. Here's why. Fortnite. Okay, they spelled Fortnite wrong again. Okay. Needs today. Needs to die. And it's a popular game. So here's one. Here's one. Wait. So here's what I don't. Here's what I don't. I don't like Fortnite. I don't like Fortnite. And I don't even get how it's played. I don't even get how it's played, and it really needs to die. It really does, and I'm getting sick and tired of people saying Fortnite. I love Fortnite. Why do they keep on spelling Fortnite wrong? I'm getting sick and tired of people saying Fortnite is awesome. I don't even hear people say that, but I don't like Fortnite. I just don't get the game. I knock down trees and stuff. Is that how you spell that the right way? I guess it is. I don't know. Oh. Oops, that's not how you spell Fortnite. Okay, now I'm going to play my whole. Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? I'm here to tell y'all. Why Fortnite needs. Okay, you just have to drag these to match the to match the time that I'm saying these. So here's why Fortnite needs to die. And it's a popular game, so here's why. I don't like Fortnite, and I don't even get how it's played. I don't even get how it's played, and it really needs to die. It really does. And I'm getting sick and tired of people saying Fortnite. I love Fortnite. I'm getting sick and tired of people saying Fortnite is awesome. I don't even hear people say that, but I don't like Fortnite. I just don't get the game. I knock down trees and stuff like that. I knock down trees and stuff, and I knocked down. This is supposed to sit down. I just don't get the game. I knock down trees and stuff like that. I knock down trees and stuff, and yeah, that's all I do to Fortnite. And the storm always gets me, and yeah, I don't like Fortnite. That's why Fortnite needs to die. Oh, wait, what happened to... Oh, I forgot this word, Fortnite. And yeah, I don't like Fortnite. That's why Fortnite needs to die. Okay? So, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, so that's good. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to publish it. Click publish right there. Publish. Okay. And now I can just add more subtitles. Okay, so let's search for French. For French, there's French. Okay, create new subtitles or CC. And when you've already done, you don't have to go to Google Translate to translate the subtitles. You don't have to. You can click auto translate and it'll auto translate for you. See, like I went to Google Translate right here yesterday. I went to Google Translate right here yesterday, and see, I was doing French to English. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to click publish right there, and I'm going to do German because one of my subscribers is German. Some of my subscribers may be German, some of my subscribers may be French, and yeah, one of my subscribers is from England. Okay, let's see, German, German. Create new subtitles or CC. When you add translate to title, when you add translate to subtitle, it takes a long time for you to like you copy it from Google Translate and you paste it. It takes a long time. So auto translate helps you do it. So I would recommend you do auto translate. So, and you click publish. Okay. Now I'm going to do the rest. Okay. Later. Probably I don't know when I'll do the rest. I don't know when I'll do the rest. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Bye.